Guys, Jeep Cherokee. This is a hard starting issue. It's a Jeep Cherokee. The problem of this car is a hard starting. It's a push button switch. So hard starting, no start, and then start. You need to two times and then start. So try to check the fuel pump. How to check the fuel pump? Just on the switch 5 times. So just try to check this on switch 5 times. 1, then off, on, 2, off, 3, and 4, and 5, and then start. Switch off. Start. So confirm the fuel pump. Just replace the fuel pump. It's the Jeep Cherokee. So let's fix this car and replace the fuel pump. So guys, I remove the fuel tank. I remove the exhaust. So the exhaust, you see the exhaust is removed. And then the propeller is down, and I used to jack. And this is a fuel pump. And this is the fuel pump. I used to jack. And this is the fuel pump, guys. So here, let's remove this. Use this screw to remove the fuel pump. It's full. Gasoline full. And this is the fuel pump. Just remove this hose from there. And this is the old. This is the new. So the same. came from the original. So let's install. So finish guys, finish install the fuel pump. Just put back all the accessories, the exhaust, guys. After I install all the parts, let's start the car. The propeller, the exhaust, all done. And let's start the car. It's a Jeep Cherokee. Start. Okay, one click. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching.